Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transform an ordinary green laser pointer into a powerful laser annihilator. Before we start, remember to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of my upcoming projects. Transforming a simple green laser pointer into a powerful burning laser is an exciting and fascinating DIY project that combines basic electronics with precision work. Before we start, please remember that safety comes first. High-powered lasers can cause serious damage to eyes and skin, so wearing protective goggles is absolutely essential during this process. Now let's dive into how you can make your very own burning laser at home with some simple modifications. First, let's talk about what you'll need for this project. The main component, of course, is a standard green laser pointer. You'll also need a set of small screwdrivers, some heat-resistant tape, a soldering iron, a higher power laser diode, a heatsink to prevent the diode from overheating, and basic safety equipment like laser goggles. To begin, open up the green laser pointer. This step requires careful handling, as the internal components are delicate. Use your screwdriver to gently unscrew the casing. Once open, you'll see the battery compartment and the laser module. Carefully remove the laser module from its housing. The next step is to replace the original laser diode with a more powerful one. This is what will turn your regular pointer into a burning laser. To do this, desolder the existing diode from the module using your soldering iron. Make sure to handle the components gently to avoid damaging the surrounding circuitry. Now, insert the new, more powerful laser diode into the module. Position it securely and make sure it aligns correctly with the optical path. Solder the diode in place, ensuring that the connections are strong but not messy. The quality of your soldering can affect the stability of the laser output, so take your time and be precise. With the diode in place, it's time to add a heatsink. This step is crucial because a powerful laser can generate significant heat, which could damage the diode if not properly managed. Attach the heatsink around the diode and use heat-resistant tape or a small amount of thermal paste to secure it. This will help dissipate heat effectively and prolong the life of your laser. Once the heatsink is set, it's time to reassemble the laser pointer. Carefully place the modified module back into the casing and screw everything back together. Make sure that all components are snug and there are no loose parts. At this point, double-check that your connections are secure and the diode is correctly positioned. Now let's test the laser. Make sure you're wearing your protective goggles. Insert the batteries back into the pointer and turn it on. If everything was done correctly, you should now have a laser with significantly enhanced power. Point it at a safe, non-reflective surface to test its intensity. You'll notice that the beam is strong enough to burn through thin materials like paper or dark plastic. This is what makes it a true laser annihilator. However, with great power comes great responsibility. Never point your modified laser at any living being, reflective surfaces, or in directions where it might be a hazard to others. High-power lasers can cause irreversible damage to eyes and can start fires if misused. This project is not just about upgrading a laser. It's a chance to learn about how laser diodes work, the importance of heat management, and the precision required in handling electronic components. It's a perfect example of how DIY projects can merge creativity with science and technology to produce amazing results. And there you have it, a fully functional laser annihilator that you can use responsibly for demonstrations, experiments, and even cutting through lightweight materials. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more cool DIY projects. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.